wisdom of the bird's eyes. How amazing, guys. I can't believe I'm so close to the swan. See, it has a ring on the one of the legs. From the biodiversity department or whatever, they put them rings and take care of them, probably, most probably, for sure, when needed. They eat this yellow flower. I forgot its name. It's very good herb, this yellow flower. So it eats them. It eats the fresh ones, not the blossoming ones, not the yellow ones, but the new ones, kind of. Oh no, it eats them all. Crazy song. Eating the flowers for lunch. Hi, Swan. How do he eats this? Poof. It's strange. Crazy birds, right? And cute.